Hi, my name is Beyonce and I'm a student nurse, and today I'll be talking about preventing choking in children. Choking is a leading cause of injury and death in children under 5. The reason for this is due to their smaller airway, tendency to put objects in their mouth and nose, and eating while distracted or moving around. Common choking hazards include grapes, buttons, batteries, and coins. Recognizing signs of choking include mild symptoms such as gagging and coughing. Other severe symptoms include silence, unable to cry or breathe, or cyanosis, meaning blue lips. Once you recognize the signs of choking, your first step will be calling emergency service before performing first aid. Second step being encouraging them to cough. For infants under 1, you will start with 5 back blows between the shoulder blades, followed up with 5 chest thrusts using 2 fingers. For children over 1, you will start with 5 back blows between the shoulder blades, followed up with 5 abdominal thrusts. For other resources, you can use NHS guidelines as well as using organisations that offer first aid and CPR training.